Hello friends, this is Mahesh Velikar and you are watching Next Gen Mess. If you are not subscribed my channel then please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon for the notification of new video. In this video, we are going to discuss the Gauss-Jordan inverse method to find the matrix inverse. In the method of Gauss-Jordan inverse method, we will begin with the augmented matrix A colon I where A is augmented with the identity matrix of the same order. Here we apply row operation on the matrix A, which will convert A into the identity matrix. Apply the same row operation on identity matrix, which will it convert into the A inverse. Note that if A cannot convert into the identity matrix or row echelon form of A is not identity matrix or one of the row will be 0. In the process of converting identity matrix, then A inverse does not exist. We'll see through example. Now example, find the inverse of a matrix A 0, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1 using Gauss-Jordan inverse method. For that, we begin with the augmented matrix A colon I, where A is augmented with the identity matrix of the same order. Now we convert matrix A into identity matrix using row operation. For that, we need to convert this first entry into 1. We will use row operation interchange where first row is interchanged with the second row. So this entry will be the 1. And we have 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 1. We apply the same row operation on the identity matrix. And we have first row is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Now in the second step, we convert this entry into 0. For that, we multiply first row by minus 3 and add it to the corresponding entries of third row. And we have minus 3 plus 3, 0, 1 minus 6 minus 5, 1 minus 9 minus 8, 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus minus 3 minus 3 and 1 plus 0 will be 1. Now in the next step, we'll make this two entry 0. For that, first we multiply second row by minus 2 and add it to the corresponding entries of first row. Then we have 1 plus 0, 1, 2 plus minus 2, 0, 3 plus minus 4, minus 1, 0 plus minus 2, minus 2, 1 plus 0, 1 and 0 plus 0, 0. Now we have to make this minus 5, 0. For that, we multiply second row by 5 and add it to the corresponding entries of third row. Then we have 0 plus 0, 0, 0, minus 8 plus 10, 2, 0 plus 5, 5, minus 3 plus 0, minus 3 and 1 plus 0, 1. Now we make this entry 1 and for that we multiply third row by 1 by 2 and we will get 0, 0, 1, 5 by 2, minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2. Now in the last step, we have to make 2 0 and minus 1 0. For that, we will use third row is multiplied by 1 and add it to the first row. And we have 1 0 0 minus 2 plus 5 by 2 is 1 by 2. Minus 3 by 2 plus 1 is minus 1 by 2. And 1 by 2 plus 0. Now, to make 2 0, we have to multiply third row by minus 2 and add it to the corresponding entries of second row. Then we have 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 0, 1, 2 plus minus 2 0, 1 plus minus 5 minus 4, 0 plus 3 3, and 0 plus minus 1 minus 1. Now matrix A is converted into the identity matrix, therefore the identity is converted into the inverse of A, and we are able to get the inverse of A using Gauss-Jordan inverse method. If you have any doubt about the process, you can ask in the comment box. Second example, which is about the non-existence of inverse of matrix using Gauss-Jordan inverse method. So find the inverse of matrix B 1 2 minus 1 0 minus 2 3 1 0 2 using Gauss-Jordan inverse method if it exists. So we begin with the augmented matrix B with I. Now we convert B into the identity matrix using row operation. For that, we have to make this entry 1, which is already 1. Now, in the next step, we'll try to convert 1 into 0. For that, we multiply first row by minus 1 and add it to the corresponding entries of third row. Then we'll have 1 plus minus 1 0, 0 minus 2 minus 2, 2 plus 1 3, 0 minus 1 minus 1, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 0 1. Now you can see second and third row are equal, so we will use a simple row operation R3 minus R2. Then we have 0 minus 2 plus 2 0, 3 minus 3 0, minus 1 minus 0 minus 1, 0 minus 1 minus 1, and 1 minus 0 1. Here we have last row is 0 in B, therefore one of the row is 0 in process of getting reduced row echelon form. So the reduced row echelon form cannot convert into the identity matrix, and so the inverse of matrix B does not. So if you have any doubt about this process, you can ask in the comment box. Thanks for watching. For more videos, like, share, subscribe, press the bell icon of next gen mess.